Hello, you're welcome to this training. My name is Shedrag, and on this very training, we are going to be looking at how to make over 150,000 naira monthly without spending your money on stocking products, or better still, capital. As like you'll be doing this figure, that's 150K a month without actually putting up your capital in the business. Now, this is actually a blueprint training, and this blueprint is completely free for you to go through and learn. But one thing about any of these blueprints we teach on the program and the channel is that if you don't implement and take action and get started, you may lose out and you may not be able to have this income potentials being mentioned in this video or any other training that is like this. So take action on this video. Use the link in the description of this video to chat up admin so that you can get started. Now, this blueprint is going to be 100% on automation. So it is meant for people that are civil servants, busy person, someone that is actually, you are a busy person and you needed something to add up to the income stream you have already. This particular business opportunity that we are going to present to you is a top notch for you. It's like a green light for you. Why? Because you as a business owner on this, you will not be doing anything while this money is coming forth. Okay, all the work has been done for you. The 95% work has been done for you on this particular business. So my name is Shedak, as I said earlier. I'm a full-stack web developer, and on this very training, I'm going to be looking at how to actually start a VTU business in Nigeria using a strategy I call AI automation. In the sense that in this strategy, you don't do anything. The system is there to actually what do every other fulfillment for you while you cash out in the process. Now we are going to be using a special gateway system to demonstrate everything I'm going to teach you on this training, which is my SME data. But before I continue, I've been into telecommunication business for getting to 10 years, and I'm a full stack web developer for 14 years of practice. So I'm also the founding father on this telecommunication business in Nigeria. Nobody takes it away from me because I know when we started this business. Okay, back then when Paga was in the picture, nobody has talked about this business. So I'm the only one that started this business in Nigeria, and every other person learns the formula and blueprint from me. So what am I trying to say here is that you have to pay attention and act upon what I am actually telling you on this particular training because I am the founding father of this business. Now, this blueprint is very simple. We don't want to complicate things. All we need to do for you to get started in this using this blueprint is for you to have an automatic VTU website that do magic for you. Okay, when we talk about do magic, is that everything is done for you. The website landing page design is done for you. The home page is done for you. What is the home page? Like this particular page you are seeing here is done for you, but it's not going to be like exactly like this, guys. Okay, so it's done for you. Then the registration for users is done for you. Everything is done for you. Then funding of account for users is done for you. I'm going to do practical on this training so that you understand what I am saying. So all you need to do is to just cash out. Now, this training is also specifically meant for people that don't even have a business registered with the CSC. This training will work for you because we are going to get you covered in terms of eliminating the fact that because one of the bottlenecks that people always encounter is that when they want to do auto funding, it is always a restriction that most gateway systems that facilitate auto funding don't accept people in as much as if you don't have a registered business name. So it is an advantage for you to get started because this is actually a business that you can start without even registering a business with CSC. So what are you waiting for? Take action on this video. Now, to get started, I'm going to demonstrate something for you. So in this place, which is my smedata.com.ng, what is my smedata.com.ng? It is actually a platform, a gateway system. Okay, so it is more or less like a place where you can actually connect your own website if you're an API person. So you can easily, because the prices on my SME data is a website kind of pricing. It's not as like, it is not an end website for everybody to come and participate. It is an API website. Okay. Now, that's what we're going to be using to design and develop your VTU website, connecting everything that is on my SME as product delivering for automation. I'm going to show you in a brief. So here I'm going to just log in, or can also create an account. Creation of account here is completely free of charge. Okay, so remember, at the end of this video I'm going to be showing you how to actually make that 150K pay month without doing nothing. Okay, so don't skip any part of this video. So click on create account. When you click on create account, you simply fill all these forms. Okay, so fill up the forms, make sure that you specify all the details, and then click on proceed. This time we ask you for password and then PIN. The PIN is just 4-digit number, but I don't want to do that because I already have an account, so you can easily do it on a Jiffy. You can use your mobile device to do that. So once you are done with that, you just simply put your mobile number, which is, you can see here, I have my mobile number here. Once you put your mobile number, you just click on put your password, which of course you define when you are registering, and then click on login. So once you log in, you'll be able to welcome to your own dashboard. Now, this place is a place where you manage your business with uh, my SMA as your gateway provider. But pay attention how the system works, because people always ask, okay, I want to start this business, but I want to know how it will look like. How does it really function? It's very simple. In this business, we are going to be doing the business with your own brand name. So this place where you see my SME data, that will now be your own website name. Okay, you can see that this is my smedata.com.ng. Yours will be my v2nigeria.com.ng. That's what is going to be replaced. Okay, but then it has different design. Both the homepage, everything, even the user end is totally different. But the main thing is that we are looking at the scalability of the business and also the power behind the business. That is what we are discussing on this training. So when you come here, the services that everybody always go for, which is very paramount to this business, is airtime and data. So everything has been made perfected in this solution, that every data subscription is available. Okay, when you come here, let me show you something quickly, because the question you'll be asking yourself, okay, how much am I going to be buying the product? So I'm going to show you quickly, because that's the most frequently asked question people always ask. So once you sign up with my SME data, you just click on this pricing. Okay, just click on this pricing. When you click on this pricing, you'll be able to be presented to the place where you can see all the prices of the commodity, how much you're going to be getting per each subscription. Now, pay attention here. If you are going for this solution right now, this week, we are going to do a favor for you. Normally, when you opt in for my SME data as a kind of want to start the business, you'll be able to be given what's called a status of subscriber. Okay, then you have to pay for agent or a vendor to get that kind of status. But if you are going for this week, you will be upgraded to a vendor when you have your own website. So you can see the current price. When we talk about current price, the prices are always dynamic. It's not like maybe this video can be like 1 year, 2 years, 5 years. So don't use it and judge what is there. So you have to have an account with the platform and also know the actual price. But let me tell you, the prices on my SME data is the most cheapest. You can see that SME 1 gig is sold for 670. Now, when you have this thing at your website, if you are buying at 670, you may decide to now sell at 750 per gig. Okay, so when you sell at 750 per gig, it means that you are going to be making a profit of what? 80 naira per transaction. Okay, so you're going to be making 80 naira per transaction, and when you now sell maybe 50 in a day, that is 4,000. And when you now sell something like maybe 60 in a day, that is, if you sell up to 70, that is 5,600. So with the combination of the principle I'm going to be teaching you, once your website is ready, you can be able to be making 5,000 naira every day on this business on automation. I'm going to show you the automation right away. And if it times 5,000 times by 30, that should be giving you the 150K, which of course we are telling you about in this video. So if making 150K without you actually putting your money in the business is what sounds interesting, please do not skip any part of this video and continue on it. Now, not only that, we have several plans. There is several data plans on this gateway system, which will be used to build their website. There is what SME plan, there is corporate plan, there is gifting, there is Airtel, there is Glow, So there's a lot of data plans, even a Wolf data. So your member will like your website because you have different price variation of products. Okay, let me also take you to the automation power of this business. Now, when your website is ready, as I said before, now you will not be the one to fund users' accounts. Everything is handled by the system. All you need to do is to start cashing out, right? Now, let me show you that if you are registered on my SME data, just click on this plus sign, which is like where you see add fund. When you click on this add fund, you'll be taken to a place where you can load money. Okay, so you can see here that this is how it is when you actually sign up newly. So it will tell you to generate your own account, right? So it will tell you to generate your own account. If you come here, there is no card payment, there is no manner funding, right? So we are going to do practical here. We're going to do 100% practical. Let me go to history and show you something, because we don't preach a business that we don't do. Okay, so most people will always be telling you this how this business work. You can see I have a current balance of 568 naira as a current balance. Okay, now I will click on this add plus sign. When you register, this is how you are going to look at it. This is how it's going to look like. So all you have to do is to click on this generate account. So when you click on this generate account, the system will automatically generate account number for you as you like a new person. So you can see right away that the system has generated account for me. So this is how your website is going to be functioning when you have built this business, as we are saying. So you don't need to do anything. All you need to do is just sit down and be cashing out your money. So if that is what interests you, so make sure you go to WhatsApp and chat up admin right now. So I'm already on my mobile bank account. I just want to do a transfer of 200 naira to that account. So you can see it, background microfinance bank. Okay. Now, what makes this business a very fast ecosystem, or maybe something very fast, is your ability to automate the business. Okay. So I'm going to just put in this amount, what's called the account number. So I'm putting the account number right away. So that I can be able to send the money. So this is 6489. Okay, that's it. So you will see something like Aspify, my SME data, and your name will be there. So once you see something like that, go on to make the payment. So I'm going to do a 200 naira transfer. Okay, so I'm just like sending the money right away. Now, the speed at which this transaction is being delivered is top notch, guys. So I've already sent the 200. So let me go back to the home page and see whether the money has come there. So I'm just going to still wait for a while for the money. You can see a speed of light. Within a second, the money has reflected. Okay. So what is it trying to tell you? Your users is going to love this, because imagine you are like having something that looks like bank. So you can see the funding I just did right now, and it has just been what credited to me 200 naira. You can see it right away. Fine. Okay. Now, the beauty of the whole process is that your client is going to love this, because they know that this thing is actually automated, in the sense that they are funding and they are getting value. They don't even need to contact you as the business owner. I even to operate the application or the website. So now let me take you again further to buying a product, because I know most of the times one of the challenges that people usually have something like this, well, people that have something like this, is product availability. But I'm going to shock you right away, but because every product in this solution works like magic, everything is 100% available. So, and your user is going to fall in love, because one thing about solutions like this, that if they can form wallet, that is one problem you have solved. The next problem is if they can be able to buy product and it delivers to them. So if you are able to solve these two problems, my brother, you are in serious business. So I'm going to just put in every credentials, just like normal purchase. You see that everything is delivering as expected. Now, the beauty of it is that it's not only airtime that is available, even other data subscription is also available, and go to DSTV and a start time, everything is available, guys. So you can see now I've already received the value on this transaction. So this is mind blowing. Imagine performing a transaction worth 100,000 in a day. It's 100% possible once the system is automated. But if the system is not automated, it is not possible. And you as admin, you want to work on orthodox technology, it cannot be able to give you that needed money. So let me check on data so that I'm going to show you that everything here is working. So if you come here, I'm going to put in the number. I'm just like showing you because I like doing practical. Okay, any technology that is out there that doesn't give you practical orientation in terms of product purchase and every other thing, please run away, my sister or my brother. So I'm gonna just buy 500 megabytes of SME just for this purpose. Then I'm going to just what show you that everything is 100% automated. Everything, both data, airtime, cable subscriptions, everything is validated. If you want to do cable subscription, it will validate everything, even electricity, and referral program is there. So this is a top-notch application that does the magic for you, and we have been able to make everything works perfectly in this solution. So you shouldn't be able to say that this thing is not going to work. Oh, everything is working here. All you have to do is to start business. So if you want to get this solution, how do you get it? It's very simple. You simply go there up here. I'm gonna still drop the link in the description of this video. You see VTU offer, right? So once you come to this VTU offer, I'm gonna show you something which is very, very sensitive here, which is the product you can resell in this solution. You can see all the product you can resell. You understand? The guarantee we are giving you that all this product, which is data, airtime, wire exam pin, cable subscription, electricity, they must be automated. That is what we call must. Okay. Now, the benefit you enjoy in this business is that you become your own boss. You earn daily. Okay. This is like a daily business because any person that touches your website and it is working on automation, my brother, my sister, everything else does not really matter again. The person will keep on what buying from you. Okay. So now you as an admin, you don't need to do anything funny in the admin to be able to make the business start working. Okay, so it is like more or less a decentralized application that works with the user. Okay, not even you as the admin. So you can see access to flexible admin panel, set up your own prices. You can be able to adjust prices as you wish. Activate or deactivate products. If you want to activate, there's so many products there, which is gifting, corporate, SME. If you want to deactivate anyone, it is 100% possible here. Okay, accommodate multiple users, resellers, and as well as users. Okay, expand your business without no limitations. Now, one of the things that we have you enjoy is this automation, which is virtual account provisioning, which is not even obtainable in any solution you see out there. If you go any of these solutions, I will tell you, okay, go and do registration with the CAC, go and do like this. But here, we're offering you for completely free without you going and taxing your brain for you to automate. So you start automating your business from day one you start the business. Okay, now your website will be ready within 2 days or 4 days, depending on the workload. So get started right away and place your order. Okay, now if you come down a little bit, how much is this solution going to cost you? The amount is just a little token of 65,000 naira will get you started with this business. Okay, with your 65,000 naira, you can be able to have a complete vast solutions like this. And then one funny other thing is that you can even make a deposit of 50,000 naira while the website gets ready. Once it's done, you balance the 15K on once the website is ready. Now, I'm going to give you a special offer here. Pay attention because I know people don't usually watch video to the end, and once they come now, they will be confused. Now, if you are going for this solution this week and you're able to just pay 50K once your website is ready, and you pay the remaining 15,000, this 15,000 will be credited to your wallet for only 5 people this week. Okay, now what we are going to mention on WhatsApp, if you are ready, is that I am ready. I want to participate in the 15K bonus for my SME. This is what you have to type because we have hundreds to thousands of people that are chatting our WhatsApp hotline. So don't go and type a different thing. The WhatsApp line will be on the description of this video. We're going to place a 2 WhatsApp number. This 2 WhatsApp number, you're going to type if you want to participate to get a bonus of this 15K credited to your own wallet when your website is ready, so that people can start transacting immediately while you only pay about 50K to get this solution. Then you have to type, I want to participate with the 15K bonus. Then go ahead, request for bank details and make your transfer, and then expect your website to be ready in 2 to 4 days. Now, the magic behind this setup solution is that you as admin do not lift a finger in terms of how do I fund user account, how do I do this, this product is not working. Everything is 100% on automation. Now, how much you pay in this website is little compared to what is obtainable now in the market. Now, to get a hosting in Nigeria, to host a website is from 30,000 naira. You understand? And then for you to register any domain, which is .com.ng, is heading to 10,000, 12,000. So imagine if we are spending 40,000. So how much is left? How much is the data sold to just build a system like this? So imagine you are getting this thing for completely free. Normally, in our other businesses, what we are selling this solution is from 250, 300K. So take action right now and make sure that you get started. This video will be taken down any soon because we don't want to abuse other of our business that we are also preaching on this, because this is like the for communities and people that are fans in this channel. So, and also community members, don't door on this opportunity, because this opportunity does not come every time. Okay, it may come up any time now, and you see, come here, you see the price has changed to maybe 300K. That is what you are going to be. So make sure that you go to admin and say whether the offer is available, and don't come to WhatsApp and begin to ask, okay, how does this thing work? Everything is explained in this video, both how to buy products. Everything is 100% explained. How much am I going to be buying the product? Everything is explained here. Go to pricing and see that we're going to give you not just like the other one, which is like 15K bonus. We're also going to be placing you on the vendor list. So if this thing is what that resonates with you, go now to your bank app and make a transfer, because people are very funny. They will come to WhatsApp, they will begin to what, chat upon chat upon chat. At the end of the day, they are not serious. So we don't want to entertain that right now. So go on and watch this video and do your own practical. You can even use the platform to begin to watch, to buy product and see how everything is working before you even make up your mind. But make up your mind, because this offer is limited to this week. Once this week has elapsed, we are going to take it down for good. Okay, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video and take action. I'm your host, Mr. Shedak. See you in the next video, and of course, take action on this training and get started right away.